In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add priority on your tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, ClickUp allows you to add priority on tasks ranging from urgent, high, or even normal, and so many other options. To add priority on your task, first go ahead and create a task. So I'll create task 4 here, and then I'll go ahead and save it first. After I've saved, go ahead and under this column of priority, just click on this flag. And now here you can set priority for this task as either urgent, high, normal, or even low. So go ahead and just tap on any and it will be added. So I can also go ahead and add priority on the others, and this will be added just like this. So that's how you can set priority on your tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.